This is Goodway's EV-60-P, twin-motored 110-volt vacuum. 2 horsepower, 2 motors, horse each. Sits on a 20.6 gallon stainless steel collection tank. Has a high-flow discharge pump in it at 48 gallons per minute. Vacuum has 82 inches of static lift, 120 CFM. Unit comes with discharge hose, 8.5 foot inlet hose, double bend wand, and a 16-inch wide squeegee tool. Very simple to use. Motor 1, motor 2. And discharge is as simple as turning a switch.